Hi guys, so eto nga pala yung total na nagastos ko to move into my new condo in the city. Okay, so first things first is of course yung monthly rent ko. My monthly rent on this condo is 20,000, and just a little background lang to everyone. This condo is a 33 square meter bare unit, so wala siyang kagamit-gamit. And ang move-in fee naman is that you have to pay 2 months deposit and 1 month advance. So that's a total of 60,000. Pero on my part, nag-additional 4 months advance pa ako, and that's 80,000. So I paid the total amount of 140,000 for rent. So since it's a bare unit, on my first day, bumili na agad ako ng mga gamit. So first few things I bought is a queen size bed and 2 pillows. I bought this sa Mandawi Foam, and I paid the total amount of 11,740 for this one. Next items I bought naman is this electric fan, this microwave, and this ref. And nabili ko to guys sa may Abenson sa BGC. I don't know if my price differences siya sa ibang branches, but yep, I paid a total amount of 24,591 pesos for these items. Bumili na din pala ako guys ng grocery ko for a week, and I paid a total amount of 6,396. And dito naman sa groceries guys, nakadepende na talaga sa inyo on how you will budget this. And medyo mahal yung nagastos ko dito because nag-grocery ako sa may Power Plant Mall. I think may mga mas murang grocery stores pa. After this guys, may mga food delivery orders din pala ako, which amounted to siguro more or less 3,000 pesos. I also bought some few stuff sa IKEA. I actually made a haul video for that one, so you can watch it. It's just below this video. And dun naman guys, I paid a total amount of 16,140. So yung ibang mga binili ko dun naman is not necessary. Sadyang I splurge lang talaga on my wants for my moving in. So ayun guys, I'll just make an updated monthly gastos na lang kapag dumating na yung electric and water bill ko. Pero so far, ang total na nagastos ko for my moving in journey for a week is 201,867 pesos. And hindi pa dun kasali yung mga binili ko sa online shops like TikTok shops. But ayun lang. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on my next vlog.